Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread for March 18th through the 24th in my catch-all planner. It is called Moody Florals, and I'm going to be using a couple of different things. So, JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop has these bees that are much an older collection that I truly love. And then Aesthetic Plants came out with that new book that also has bees in it. So I thought, why not combine it? So that's what we're going to be doing. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I'm so glad you found me. If you have been here before, thank you so much for joining me again. I am so happy that you are here. So this week is actually my 6th year anniversary with my boyfriend. So we have met 6 years ago, and that date is so special to me. So I wanted to make something lovey-dovey. So we're gonna do a honey theme and go from there. So okay, so I'm gonna use this washi from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop, but what I'm gonna do is kind of do the opposite, so you will see what I mean. The black on top here, the other black will go on the other side, like so. There we go. Look how cute that is. And I do want to incorporate this blue because it is so cute, and there's some blue elements in this. So as you can see, I made them kind of opposite, and yes, it matches my nails, not on purpose. I change my nails quite often, so this just happened by a happy accident. Anyway, so let's go ahead and add more stickers. I'm just pulling some stickers from the Aesthetic Plants. One in Spring. Such a cute book. But look at these honeycombs. Like, I love it. And then look at this beehive. Like, how adorable, right? Like, I'm still so absolutely stunned that JoJo from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop can just draw all of these things. Like, how absolutely talented is that? Because God knows I couldn't. Okay, so I'm gonna use the boxes from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop because I really like the softer yellow. And then we're gonna add all this other stuff in there as well. Look at JoJo's honeycombs too. So cute. So yeah, I need a box for each day at least, sometimes probably more. So I'll be adding them later if I need more, but for right now, at least a box for a day. I mean, I like feeling like something important happened at least once a day, or I have accomplished something important at least once a day. So what those boxes are used for. Look at these florals. They're absolutely stunning. And then home is where your honey is. So I'm going to keep it right there because, like I said, that's my anniversary weekend. I'm going to add these really fun honeycombs because I love them. I'll add that one right there. What do you guys think so far? I think this is so adorable, the combination of two with the softer yellow and like almost orangey yellow, honey yellow. I love them. I'm gonna add all of these bees just flying around my page because why not? Bees, do your thing. And I'm still like JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. When it comes to her kits, they're large enough to use way more than once. So even though I'm using a lot, I'm gonna still have so much left from her kit. Okay, let's add this honey. Maybe right here. Yeah, that works. I love honey, you guys. I go through buckets of honey, to be honest. So I'm gonna add that blue right there. So we have a pop of blue on this side, pop of blue on this side. As you guys have probably noticed, if you've been here for a while, I tend to be a little bit more heavy with decoration on the bottom. I like writing in my top too. Like the top two boxes is what I mean. Okay, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and add a whole bunch of those little bullet points. So I've been keeping to doing 3 things a day, and that seems to be working pretty perfectly for me. So let's keep that going because, like I said, it seems to be the way to go for me. So I'm gonna do yellow every other. Like, look how adorable. And yes, they don't have to be together or in a row, as long as I have a space to write. And I'm gonna add that slightly darker, almost orange color right here. Yep, I think that works. And then let's do the other side of the page. So there's that. I think that works pretty well. Okay. Let's add that and then couple on Sunday. And then I need smaller boxes for a work schedule. So I think we're going to grab those from the Castatic plans and then go from there. So for right now, those are the 2 little collections I have used. But like I said, I know I need work boxes, so let's add those. I'm going to stick to the yellow and orange. So I need 5 because I have been working a ton. So I've also been working on Fridays lately. Let's lift this little bee because I don't want to clip her wing. Okay, there you go, little bee. Okay, now so I do have spaces for these, as you can see. Like mentally, I forgot about these, but I still have spaces for them somehow. So I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna pop this back in my planner. Let me know what you guys think. I am in love with the spread, and I'll see you soon for another. Bye.